In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table in Notion. We're going to walk through the simplest and most reliable way to duplicate a table so that the new copy is completely independent from the original. That means any changes you make in the duplicated table will not affect the original one, and vice versa. This is really helpful when you want to reuse a layout or structure, but fill it with different content, like separate project lists, task databases, or content calendars. First, make sure you're in the Notion page that contains the table you want to copy. You can do this in either full-page databases or inline tables that sit inside a regular page. Once you can see your table, move your mouse toward the left side of the table block. You're looking for what's called the six-dot handle. It usually appears as a small icon with 6 dots stacked in 2 columns, and it only shows up when you hover near the left edge of the block. Take a moment to move your cursor slowly over the left side of the table until that handle appears. If you don't see it right away, try moving slightly up or down along the left margin of the table. The handle is attached to the entire table block, not just a single row or column, so be sure you're not clicking into individual cells. Once the 6-dot handle is visible, bring your mouse directly over that icon. Here, you have 2 options, depending on your preference. You can right-click on the handle, which will open a small context menu. Or, if you're on a trackpad, or you prefer using the standard click, you can left-click the handle once to bring up the block options. In that menu, look for the option labeled Duplicate. This is the key step. Go ahead and select Duplicate from the menu. As soon as you do this, Notion will create a full copy of that entire table, including all of its properties, columns, and existing data. You'll see the duplicated table appear directly below the original one. From here, you can rename it, move it elsewhere on the page, or drag it to a different page if you want to keep your workspace organized. Because this copy is independent, feel free to edit columns, delete rows, or completely change the content without worrying about altering the original table.